Tonight we embark on a journey through one of the most profound events in Islamic history, the miraculous journey of Isra and Miraj, a story that not only reaffirms the power of Allah but also serves as a beacon of hope and faith for millions around the world. Isra and Miraj is a two-part miraculous journey undertaken by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, in a single night. The journey began in Mecca and took him to Jerusalem, and from there to the heavens. This event is mentioned in the Quran and elaborated upon in various hadiths, showcasing its immense significance in Islamic tradition. The first part of the journey, known as Isra, begins when the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is awakened by Angel Jibril. He is presented with the Burak, a celestial steed that carried him from the Kaaba in Mecca to Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem, a sacred site to Muslims. Upon reaching Masjid al-Aqsa, the Prophet led a congregation of past prophets in prayer, symbolizing the unity of monotheistic faiths and affirming his role as the seal of the prophets. From Jerusalem, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, ascended to the heavens in the second part of the journey, known as Miraj. He was guided by Angel Jibril through the seven heavens, where he encountered various prophets, including Adam, Jesus, and Moses. Each resided in different levels. During this celestial journey, the Prophet was shown the vastness of Allah's creation, the rewards for the righteous, and the consequences for the wrongdoers. At the pinnacle of the journey, the Prophet reached Sidrat al-Muntaha, the laurel tree of the utmost boundary, where Angel Jibril could go no further. Beyond this point, the Prophet was honored with a direct audience with Allah, a moment of unparalleled significance in Islamic history. It was during this meeting that the obligation of the 5 daily prayers, or Salah, was prescribed, a fundamental pillar of Islam that continues to unite Muslims in worship across the world. After completing this miraculous journey, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, returned to Mecca. Despite initial skepticism from some, the story of Isra and Miraj became a cornerstone of faith, symbolizing the boundless mercy and power of Allah. The journey of Isra and Miraj serves as a reminder of the importance of prayer, the unity of the prophets, and the vastness of Allah's mercy. It is a story of hope, perseverance, and the unbreakable bond between the Creator and His creation. As we reflect on this miraculous journey, let us strive to strengthen our connection with Allah and find inspiration in the trials and triumphs of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. May the story of Isra and Miraj illuminate our paths and deepen our faith.